Yo, what's going on, guys? How you doing today? What's going on, guys? Today I have for you the glorious Model D. I was going to get originally the glorious Model O. Discovered this bad boy, which is more of an ergonomic mouse. Model O is an ambidextrous mouse. I currently have an ambidextrous mouse. I don't really like the shape of it. It's not too comfortable. I've used this for about a year now. This is the Logitech G305. As you can see, I did some customize it a little bit. With these, like modded it a little bit, I guess you want to call it. With these mods, these are like back grips. It made it a lot better and a lot grippier, but it's still not great. I'm still not 100% comfortable with it, so I thought I'd go with this. So I'm gonna quickly try this out. My first ever mouse was a SteelSeries Rival 100, I believe. Fade edition. So when I used to play CS:GO, I saw that mouse and fell in love with it. That was the Fade edition. Ooh, that mouse is clean. That is clean. But I think this is like the older shape, or the older cord at least. I mean, I can always upgrade the cord if something goes wrong, but oh yeah. Look at that. Comes with the cord. The packaging is actually really nice on this. I really like the packaging on that. But so I got this. Oh man, oh, that is super light. That might be lighter than, wow. This is a wireless mouse, obviously. This is a light mouse for what, compared to my old mouses. This is a lot lighter than my old mouse, and a lot smaller too. That's the main thing. The size of this is obviously bigger. I mean, it's not that much bigger in terms of length, but it's gonna be higher up as well. It's gonna fit my hand more, a lot better. Like when I play, I hold my mouse, like my hand is like kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Can I explain it like this way, sideways? When I hold my hand, there's all this space here, right? I don't know how to explain it, but you see all this, there's a lot of space here that the mouse is just too flat. Is what I'm trying to say. Look at the difference. It doesn't seem that big on camera. Actually, no, it does. It does. But yeah, hopefully this works out a lot better. Wow, this is ridiculously light. I thought this was light. This is probably, I mean, this does have a battery in it to makes it a little bit heavier, but this is it feels like it's half the weight of that. Oh man, oh, that's really comfortable. Oh, even the right mouse button, left mouse button, that feels good. Side buttons are a little bit bigger than than the ones on my old mouse. Cord is really light cord. But man, let's feel this. Wow, that's buttery smooth, the scroll wheel. But let's get this bad boy turned on. Just got this Ducky 12SF, the 65% keyboard. Did an unboxing for that in my last video, so if you want to go check that out, be sure to go check that out. I'll put a link in the description, hopefully, as long as I remember. Alright, we got it plugged. Oh man, that matches the keyboard so well. Look at that, man. This mouse is beautiful. Really good. It feels very comfortable. This fits my hand so perfect, like it's unreal. But I can see this. Oh, man, look at that. The glorious bearded man. You got the RGB on the side there, on the scroll wheel. It's white, it's clean. Wow, that's amazing. I really like the feel of that. Really like the feel of that. Super light. Oh, in the box there's some extras. I forgot. It's like a sticker. You get included in the box. Another sticker, the bearded man. Cool little sticker there. Oh yes, you get these extra Model D skates in a bag, which is nice enough of Glorious to include. Free of charge. So your feet, you have your normal feet here, and these feet you can like plop. I'm guessing that goes at the top, that one. So yeah, you stick them in, and I guess allows you to glide a bit better. I mean, it depends on what you like. If you like it, you know, if you do like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But man, that is amazing. That's buttery smooth. So there you have it, guys. The Glorious Model O mouse. Great mouse. Feels amazing in my hand. Love the aesthetics, the RGB on the side and on the scroll wheel of the mouse. Really just make the mouse pop. The black and white contrast from the buttons of the and also the scroll wheel. Branding on the side of the mouse is just enough. It also gives the mouse some character. You've got Glorious on the opposite side of the mouse, in very, very small, which is what I really like. Super light mouse, great mouse feet, just glide. It's just buttery smooth. Feels amazing to play with. Been using it for about a week and a half, maybe to 2 weeks now, and I have no complaints about this mouse. Great mouse, good quality. And yeah, overall really happy with my purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor, drop a like. If you didn't, just dislike it. Let me know in the comments why. Also let me know in the comments what you guys think of this mouse. If you guys thinking about possibly purchasing this mouse yourself. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.